subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back to Calorie TV. It's Ree here. Okay, so today I'm going to be filming a grocery haul. I just picked up my groceries about an hour ago or something like that, and I thought, hey, why not film a haul? Hey, why not film a haul, right? I like to watch people's grocery hauls. I like to get ideas and see what people are getting. So I thought, why not put one on the channel? I have one on here, but it's, well, man, it's like at least 2 years old. I will link it down below if you want to see it. I look different. My groceries look different. I'll link it down below if you guys want to see it. But I'm going to stop talking your ears off. We're going to get into this video, and I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's do the frozen things first. So I have some organic frozen blueberries. I have some frozen sweet corn. I have some frozen crinkle sweet potatoes. Sweet potato fries, sorry. I have some crispy tenders, Gardein crispy tenders. And then some beefless burgers by Gardein as well. What else frozen in the refrigerator? Okay, it looks like that's all frozen as far as refrigerator. I'm trying these for the first time. These Sweet Lawrence, Be Sweet to Yourself. Simple ingredient, gluten-free chocolate chunk, bake in the oven. But they're non-GMO, dairy-free, nut-free, and what's the last one? Whole grain, 100% whole grain. So I'm trying these. I've never really seen like vegan place in the oven baked cookies, so that's always good. This raspberry hibiscus kombucha. And then I have some liquid egg whites. I think that's the only thing that was not vegan that I was telling y'all about. And then I have this organic almond milk with cashews. And power greens, organic power greens, and they come with baby spinach, charred kale, and mizuna. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I never heard of that one. I'm gonna have to do a little research, but hey, that's that. Okay, so I'm going to, and then this kind of goes in the fridge too. We've been obsessed with this Nestle Splash Water, and I got it in the flavor acai grape and lemon. So I'm going to stop the video here, go run and put this stuff in the fridge, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I definitely forgot to mention this in the refrigerator / frozen stuff. So I got some petite carrots, and moving right along to everything else, I got some flax and chia bread, 1 avocado, a orange pepper, an organic tomato. I'm trying to figure out why this bad boy is so huge. Woo! I got some sliced almonds, a little pack. Some bananas. I got some kettle cooked jalapeno chips. Can of garbanzo beans. 4 cans of organic black beans. Come on, protein. Woo! Got some boiling in the bag white rice. Some unsweetened organic coconut flakes. Some chia seeds. Can you see that? Yeah, chia seeds. Some organic gala apples. These are my absolute favorite type of apples, y'all. Absolutely. And a 5-pound bag of grapefruit. Y'all, literally, I haven't had some in so long, and like, I used to love it so much. So, 5-pound bag I'm real excited about. And now, I got these 2 on a whim. I was at Publix, and they were 2 for $1, so I just want to try them. This is mango flavor and this is grapefruit flavor. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever had this brand of sparkling water. I'm not really into sparkling water. I just wanted to try it because it was 2 for $1. It says no calories, no sweeteners, all smiles. It literally has nothing in it. The ingredients are carbonated water and natural flavor. So yeah, I'm just trying these. They were 2 for $1. And you know, I don't drink soda, but I guess this is like for people who are like trying to get off soda, you know, kind of give you the carbonation with a little flavor. Don't quote me, but that's that. Yeah, and that was literally my grocery haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed my grocery haul. Let me know if you want to see more grocery hauls. Every week it looks very different. I know it's hard to believe, but we do not eat the same thing every week. I actually hate being repetitive. So every week there's different colors, different fruits, different things, different recipes I'm trying. So let me know if you guys want to see more grocery hauls, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, thumbs it up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!